but it ought to be the Senate Impeachment Court that asserts its sole power to try and decide impeachment cases. One final point. In the Corona impeachment trial, nang himasok, nag-TRO ang Supreme Court para sa mga bank accounts. Ano ang ginawa ng Senate Impeachment Court? Bumoto 13-10 para respetuhin ang Korte Suprema. I did not vote in favor of the TRO or respecting the TRO. But the Senate, as an impeachment court, voted and we respected it. Because it was the Senate Impeachment Court that decided. It was not the Senate. It was the Senate Impeachment Court that, seeing perhaps that we needed to harmonize the power of judicial review, the power of the Senate as an impeachment court, to have the sole power rather to try and decide cases, seeing that the Senate Impeachment Court decided to harmonize the conflicting provisions of the Constitution. I think we should, as a Senate Impeachment Court, do the same. Kung ipagbobotohan na respetuhin ng Korte Suprema para walang constitutional crisis, so be it. But it ought to be the Senate Impeachment Court that asserts its sole power to try and decide impeachment cases. Yun na lamang po, and I associate myself with the motion of the minority leader that we lay on the table the matter of the impeachment case and action.
Just a point of information, for the record and for the information of the body. Chair confirms the manifestation earlier of Senator Cayetano with respect to Section 4, Rule 39 of the Rules of Court that says that decisions of the court are not immediately executory unless the decision says so. In this case, the decision specifically stated that it is immediately executory. Number two, again, just for the record, the Supreme Court itself, through its spokesperson, after the House filed their motion for reconsideration, reiterated the immediately executory nature of the decision of the Supreme Court. And finally, the Supreme Court's own internal rules states that the entry of judgment shall be the date such decision or resolution becomes executory unless the court directs its immediate execution. I am quoting and citing AM number 10-4-2-20 rather SC, specifically Section 16, Rule 16 rather, Section 1. So there are conflicting authorities with respect to the opinions raised by the various members. Senator Marcoleta, what is your pleasure?